Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Christmas tree Among Us. So let's get started. To draw this colorful Among Us, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve. And I'm going to bring it around and draw another curve. Long curve, and then we're going to bring this together. Bottom right here. And in this area right here, we're going to sharpen the curve and connect. So slightly upwards to create this shape. From there, we're going to start the body. So let's come about right here and here. So imagine it being overlapped. We're just going to start to draw a curve for the head. And let's come to the center of this visor, come out about right here. And I'm going to start to draw the sides. So let's bring this up for the head. And let's keep going up. So say about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. And if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve all the way back here. But since I'm using a Sharpie and I have this Christmas tree I want to put up here, I'm going to stop about right there. So this area being kind of like my center of the character, I'm going to come about right here and draw a little stem, the trunk from my Christmas tree. And then right above that, I'm going to draw a big curve for the base of my Christmas tree to about that wide. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my Among Us head. So it's easier for you to see what's going on, and bring it down. There. So like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely finish off the head first, head shape first. Okay, so then from there, let's create our Christmas tree. So this is our center. I'm going to go straight up. Just kind of imagine how big you want your tree. But right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. And the reason I'm drawing the circle first is because, once again, I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this triangular shape first. So I'm going to come down, imagining this as an angle. I'm going to come about right here and draw another circle. And another one about right here. That way I don't have to erase. So about right here, I'm going to do the same thing. And one more. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and connect. So like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw in this triangular shape first, and then you can put in all the lights. Okay, there. And then let's add two more inside. Another one here and here. And I'll just come in here and thicken it up. Thicken up the lines. And the bottom. Okay, so now we have the tree in. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of the body. So it's going to bring this down. And this is all your basic Among Us shape. So come about right here. I'm going to come straight down about here. And just draw a slight curve. And this is where the legs are going to start. So bring in a curve. And we're going to bring this all the way down to meet. And about right there, go ahead and connect it. And so same thing over here. So bring this all the way down, come about right here. And this leg is going to be slightly shorter since we are drawing at an angle, and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to draw the pack. So about the center of the visor area, I'm going to come about right here. Just draw a slight curve. Bring this all the way down to about right here and connect. Okay, so then now to spruce it up, of course, right? So I thought it'd be really cute if we strung more lights around this Among Us. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here. And I'm going to start just randomly drawing some lights, some string around my Among Us. So loop it through. So maybe one that comes right here. all the way, bring it down to here, loop it in, and one more. So about right here, I'm going to loop another one. And maybe it goes down this way. There. Pretty cool, right? So just make sure you give it these loops so it looks like it's actually wrapping around. Now to spruce it up, let's add some lights. So just have fun with this, as many as you like, but you just want to give it a little base right there, the head, and then the bulb. So of course, whatever shape you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of these bulbs everywhere I can without trying to make it too, hopefully I'm not overcomplicating it like I always do everything, but maybe one here that can pop out. So I really hope you've been loving these Among Us I've been drawing for you. So I started with my Halloween series, now I have this Christmas series, and I definitely have like 2 more to draw for you. The candy cane hat, and let's see here, I think I have the elf as well. I would love to show you soon. So I hope you're not getting too tired of all these Among Us. Okay, so let's make some here. So like this, as you can see, I'm just filling up the space wherever. And one more, last one. Okay, there. Okay, so then now that's done, and of course I couldn't end it like that, right? Let's have a hand holding a star. I thought that'd be really cute. So a little bit higher, because he's kind of holding it up, I'm going to go ahead and draw a thumb and an index. So let's curve this just to simplify it, curve it around and bring another finger. So we're just kind of drawing the index, kind of give it a little angle around and connect. There. So hopefully that looks like 2 thumb and an index finger pinching. And then right here, I'm going to add a little string and a star. So I'm just going to draw a nice little round star. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Christmas tree hat Among Us turned out, and I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.